Little storyteller.
Captain Awesome, a brave action figure with a shiny blue suit, stood on a tall tower made of blocks. "Welcome, everyone, to the Toy Olympics," he announced. Today was a day for fun and games with all his toy friends. First up was the rubber duck race. 4 little rubber ducks, yellow and bright, waddled to the edge of a long blue playmat that looked like a sparkling river. Rosie the rabbit, with her fluffy white fur and long pink ears, cheered loudly. Zoom the race car, red and speedy, revved his tiny engine with excitement. "Ready, set, go," shouted Captain Awesome. The ducks slid and wobbled down the blue river, giggling with every splash. Next was Domino Toppling. A long line of colorful dominoes stood tall and straight on a wooden floor. Barnaby Bear, a big cuddly bear with soft brown fur, carefully pushed the first domino. Down it went, knocking over the next, and the next. The dominoes fell in a long wavy line until the very last one tumbled with a gentle clack. Everyone clapped for Barnaby. Then came the button shot put. Little round buttons in different colors were ready to be pushed. Penelope Penguin, a sweet penguin with shiny black and white feathers, took a deep breath and pushed a bright red button with her flipper. It slid across the smooth table. Captain Awesome measured how far each button went. It was fun to see the buttons zoom. Last was the Lego Car Grand Prix. Zoom the race car was very excited. He lined up with other speedy Lego cars on a track made of colorful Lego bricks. "Ready, set, go," called Captain Awesome. The Lego cars zoomed around the track, their little wheels spinning fast. Zoom zoomed past the finish line first. Everyone cheered for Zoom. At the end of the Toy Olympics, Captain Awesome gathered all his friends. "You all did such a good job," he said. "It's not just about winning, but about having fun together." Rosie Rabbit hopped happily. Barnaby Bear gave a soft growl of agreement. Penelope Penguin waddled with joy, and Zoom Race Car beeped his horn. Playing games together is always more fun than playing alone.
Please subscribe. Thank you.